What makes for a great gate meeting? What can companies do to manage those meetings more effectively?
Gate reviews really should be absolutely honest, open, data-based, needs to be based on data. So the tests that have been run, whether it's market tests or anything else, when you're going through that gate and when you're presenting this to management so that everybody gets on the same page, it's important that these teams understand that you need to have the data to support it. Sometimes you have folks going, oh, I know what the customer wants. I know what they need, that, this is it. And that may be true to some extent, but it's important that you do the kind of work that you need to do to support what it is you're asking for from management, or what will need to be put in place to develop something or manufacture something. And sometimes teams tend to want to, but they feel like they're only successful if they get a positive, go on to the next phase kind of thing. And it's important for everyone to understand that it's about that honest information which came to them by doing the work to collect the data, to then be able to answer the critical questions. Do we move forward with this or do we not? And if the team says, after all the work that they've done, the team comes back and says, these are some areas that we just think are really going to be a problem. We may have a little bit of a problem manufacturing this, right? So part of that is that, can we win? Can we do it? They're important to ask those questions, and it's so simple that everyone misses them. And it is as simple as, is it real? Do they really want it, or are we pushing it because it's a product that we know we can make and we want to put it out there? Sometimes that's the case, because sometimes customers don't even know what's possible. But for the most part, real win worth are the questions that need to be asked at a gate review, and for everyone to understand those. Best to do that determination up front, rather than getting almost to the point where you're manufacturing it and now you've discovered that there are some things that you weren't thinking about because you didn't do that work as you started it.